Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing us a very powerful tool that I have been using for quite some time now, and that tool is called Napkin. So Napkin is an AI tool that turns a text into a stunning visuals instantly, and this tool this tool is we can generate visuals in just 4 easy steps. One, you paste your text, you generate the visuals, you polish it, you edit it to make it yours, then you uh, export the file either as a PNG file, a PDF file, or an SVG file. So I'm going to show you a demo of how this works, but before we go into the demo, I would like to show to us that the pricing for this tool is actually free. It's actually free, as you can see from the plans. The starter plan is $0, professional plan $0. So this app is perfect for every budget conscious creators. So let's get started on the demo. So what you need to do is to click on get napkin for free on their website link. I will drop the description of this I'll drop the URL of this website on the description box. So just click on get napkin free. So when you click on it, you'll be prompted with a sign in option. For me, I'm going to sign in. I'm already signing with my Google account. Then this is the interface. What you want to do is to locate this button that says new napkin. Then you want to select the second one that says blank napkin. So there's draft with AI, like a situation whereby you do not have any text, but blank napkin is you have a text already, but you want this AI app to turn that text into a visual. So I'm going with that option. So when I click on it, I'll be presented with a empty interface like this. So let me just rename this as my goal. Then I want to click on enter. Now what is that text we want to turn into visuals? So let me just pick a text now. So this is my text. I have 3 concise goals I want in life, so I'm going to paste it here. And if I go through the test, learning skills and improve myself, let me change that yourself to myself. Learning skills and improve myself. Advice in my career, advance in my career, or start a new one, build and maintain meaningful relationship. So I want to convert all of this into an interesting visual. So all I have to do is highlight, then look at this button on the left hand side that says generate visual. This is the magician on this app. So when you click on it, it's going to perform the magic at the back end, and I'll be presented with this. As you can see, this is quite interesting. Now the beauty of this is the fact that it gives you different variants. Like this. Now perhaps I do not like it, I just want another different option. You can decide to go with this style. My goal, strong relationship, personal growth, career success. Maybe I don't like this, I go with this. I go with another one. Maybe I can tell it to generate again. So it's going to generate another one. As you can see, now this is quite interesting. It's very interesting. This is another one. That's another style. This is another style. This is another style. This is another style. It's even more than 5. You can generate more. It's generating more. It's generating more. Look at all of this. I love it. So let me just pick one. Let's pick one. So let's say I'm going with this this one. This one. I'm choosing this one as the visual I'm going for. Now, perhaps I want to change the text. Just click on top and change it. Change the text to anything like my life goal, and I can drag it. I can move it. So that's my life goal, and I can decide to change this: strong relationship, career success, personal growth. And okay, you're okay with the output and you want to download this to your PC. What you have to do is click on this icon that says export. So when you click on export, you'll be provided with 3 options: PNG, SVG, PDF. Just select PNG and click on download. Then it's going to download into my system. By the way, let me show us one that let me show you the one I downloaded, a visual I designed this morning. That's already on my system. I like that one, and it's this. Look at this: my life goals, strong relationship, career success, personal growth. So this app is great for PowerPoint presentations. It's perfect for bloggers. If you are a blogger and you need a visual to represent the blog you've written, this app is perfect for you. It's perfect for anyone: website designers, UI designers, developers. And the interesting part of this app is the fact that it saves you hours of design time. It saves you hours of design time. So please stop spending hours on design. Let Napkin AI do the heavy lifting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. See you again next week. Bye.